so bored. I wonder where those A's are. Oh, right down the closet. How could I forget? Why did I just sound like regular me? What the? I thought that was... So someone came out for a second. Never mind. I know what to do. There's that shadow. What? How? Are you serious right now? You didn't even catch me. Now I'm gonna let my friends go. And beat you, probably. How could you beat me? Come here. Oh. Ready to die? No. Chaos. Blast. Oh God. I think my back's broken. Gotta put him in the closet. There. There's more to go.